How to set up automatic payments on Discover credit card. If you'd like to set up automatic payments on Discover credit card, first of all, you can use the mobile application to log into your Discover account. So launch the Discover application, and what you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically hit the allow button and tap the login button to log into your Discover account by using your user ID and password. Once you've done that, navigate to the automatic payments or payments section. Then from there you can select your preferred payment options and bank account. And from there you have to just follow the prompts to set up recurring payments. And you can choose to pay the minimum amount, minimum plus a fixed amount, full statement balance, or a different amount each month. This way you can set up automatic payments on Discover credit card. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.